Last week, I admitted I was wrong about this Bianchi, but if I'm being honest, I knew exactly what I was doing. I built the single speed because you guys love the minimalist build and the views prove it. I put the gears back on because I knew what actually sells in the real world. Today, we're closing the book on the Bianchi project, and I'm going to show you exactly how a free bike turns into a shop funding payday. Before we talk about what I made, we have to talk about what I spent. If you remember from the last How Much video, we started with a shop fund of $178.66. The bike itself was a gift from a friend, the best price you can get. But as any mechanic knows, free is just the starting line. First up was the chain at $14. Simple, reliable, and essential. Then we hit the shifter saga. I tried to save $1 and ordered a set of $10 bargain shifters from Amazon. It was a disaster. The internals were probably plastic junk, the indexing was non-existent, and they nearly made me lose my mind. I'm returning them as defective, so I'll get that $10 back. But the lesson was, cheap parts are the most expensive way to fix a bike. I replaced them with a proper set for $20. The difference was night and day. Every shift was crisp and it felt proper and almost luxurious. To finish the cockpit, I ordered a new set of grips for only $6. So all in, I had exactly $40 invested in this build. At this point, I had a choice. List it for a low, quick move, or wait for the right buyer. I listed the bike on Facebook Marketplace for $150. Within an hour, the perfect buyer reached out. Her husband already had a classic Bianchi, and she wanted to join him on the trails with a matching steel frame setup. Between the pink paint and the fact that the gears shifted like a dream, she didn't even haggle. She test rode it, loved it, and handed me over the cash. That's a $110 profit for the shop, purely because we took the time to do the geared conversion right. But the shop isn't just funded on wrenches, it's funded by these videos. Let's talk about what YouTube pays a small channel like mine. The single speed conversion video brought in 2.2 thousand views and YouTube paid me $6.73 so far. The reversing the mistake video, the one where I told you I was wrong, is already at 1.1 thousand views in the first few days and YouTube has already paid me $2.60 and those numbers are climbing. When we started this project, I had $56.22 sitting in my YouTube payout bucket. Today, that total has climbed to $89.08. As you guys know, I don't get a check until that hits $100. We're officially only $10.92 away from a payday that goes straight back into buying something for the shop at the end of the year. The new shop fund total is $288.66. That's $176.66 plus the $110 profit. We gamed the algorithm with the single speed, we satisfied the market with the gears, and we found this Bianchi a home where it will be cherished. The next big payday is just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video, show that thumbs up button some love. If you want to continue this journey with me, hit that subscribe button. Click one of these videos for more amateur bike mechanic adventures.